Neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is one of the most remarkable discoveries in modern neuroscience. At its core, neuroplasticity refers to the brain's lifelong ability to change, adapt, and rewire itself in response to experiences, learning, and even injury. For much of the 20th century, scientists believed the brain was essentially fixed after childhood, like a machine that could wear it down, but could never truly rebuild itself. Today, we know that the brain is far more flexible, dynamic, and resilient than we ever imagined. To understand neuroplasticity, picture the brain as a vast landscape filled with pathways, some well-traveled, others faint, and some waiting to be formed. Every thought we have, every movement we make, and every skill we practice sends tiny electrical signals through that landscape. The more frequently we send those signals, the stronger and faster the pathways become. It's similar to walking the same trail in a forest. The more you walk it, the clearer the path becomes. And if you stop using a trail altogether, it slowly fades. This process is happening right now, in all of us, whether we're aware of it or not. When you learn a new language, your brain strengthens networks involved in memory and communication. When a child practices tying their shoes, the brain refines motor pathways until the action becomes automatic. Even simple habits, like choosing to take the stairs each day or practicing a few minutes of meditation, gradually reshape the structure and functioning of the brain. Some of the most powerful examples of neuroplasticity come from people recovering from injury. After a stroke, for instance, areas of the brain responsible for movement or speech may become damaged. Yet, with therapy and repetition, other regions can learn to take over those lost functions. It's not an instant process, but it shows the brain's incredible ability to reorganize itself, even under difficult circumstances. Similarly, individuals who lose one sense, such as vision, often show heightened abilities in their remaining senses. The brain re-elects resources, strengthening the systems that are still active. Neuroplasticity also plays a role in emotional and psychological growth. Practices like mindfulness, gratitude, and cognitive behavioral therapy can create new patterns of thinking that gradually replace unhelpful or negative ones. In this way, the brain's adaptability becomes a tool for healing, not just physically, but mentally. The implications of neuroplasticity are wide-reaching. It means that learning truly never stops. We aren't trapped by our habits, our past experiences, or even by the limitations we once believed were permanent. While change takes effort and repetition, the brain is designed to respond, reshape, and grow. This doesn't mean everything is easy. Change can be slow. It requires patience and consistent practice. But neuroplasticity tells us something profoundly hopeful. Progress is always possible, no matter our age, background, or starting point. It reminds us that the brain is not a static organ. It's a living, evolving system, shaped by how we use it. In the end, neuroplasticity teaches us that every action, every thought, and every new experience creates tiny shifts in the architecture of the mind. Over time, those tiny shifts accumulate into meaningful transformation. And perhaps the most empowering message of all is this: we have the ability to guide that transformation. By choosing what we practice, what we focus on, and how we challenge ourselves, we actively participate in shaping the person we become.
If you enjoyed our channel, please click subscribe.